Hit. Bang, 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 bang.
So what, I gotta go back?
Go back, mark off a point. Man, right here behind the wall. Bang, bang. Bang, bang. Gotcha. I knew you had to been over here. It's too quiet. Don't go too far out because of that window. Is he serious? Is he serious? Nice friendly fire. Nice friendly fire.
This guy right here, as you could clearly see earlier, I shot him multiple times. He still decided to not call the hit, run towards the respawn. Now, during the entire day, everyone complained about him. Even I complained about him. He never called his hits. I even pulled out my rifle and was shooting his knuckles up. He still did not want to call his hits. We complained. We told the referee. Still didn't do nothing. Almost got into a fight in altercation until he finally got fed up with it and left. So if you ever see him, watch out. He's gonna ruin your whole entire day.
Yeah, go back to your reach. He's still not. He's still not calling his hit. Mark. I didn't say it in time. Whew. He right there. Got him. Wait. Got him. Yeah, I know one right here behind this wall. Whack. Oh, shit. He's gonna keep shooting. I know who it is. He's focused on me. He knows me. Dang, that ricochet. Then he ain't gonna leave me alone. He a douche. That was a shitty move. Do we got anybody up top? Okay, that one kid need to call his hit. He's not gonna call it. I'm about to rush in.
These two right here, I did not mean to shoot them that close in the back. At the end of the match, I went and apologized, told them I was sorry, didn't really mean to do it. I just wasn't thinking around the time.
Hey, it's when bang bang when they're not facing you. Like when they're
It was kind of off. You thought it was friendly fire, didn't you?
Yeah.
Are you allowed to shoot people coming through their zone like that?
Huh?
Are you allowed to come through there?
After you make the line, where's the line? Did you make the line?
Yeah, yeah, I'm right here.
Oh yeah, after you're through the line.
Yeah, you ass. You wouldn't even let me out.
After you're in here, you can't shoot people in the blue line.
What?
You can't
hit you?
Oh, hey,
Why did
yeah.
I'm gonna ask not to let you out?
Yeah,
Because you kept shooting me.
Of course!
After the blue line.
Bang, bang. Ow, 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 ow. How? How? All in the wrist. Damn. Oh, 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 sorry. Go inside. You're not shooting anything, bang.